It started out, I'd been living in the cabin, and I just had this notion to build a tower. And to this day, we call it the tower. I was starting out in medicine. I wasn't making a lot of money. And I just wanted to do it.
So, you're an artist.
Well, I try.
Well, I have to admit, this is mighty impressive. Now, first thing is, you are legitimately a doctor. You are a doctor of medical science, and you practiced for about 20 years up here.
I had a genuine commitment to work with underprivileged families.
Being a physician, you've gone around the world.
Oh yes, you develop a love for people, no matter where they're from, who they are, what color they are. I used to always carry my banjo wherever I traveled too, which was very interesting.
When you went international, wherever you went, you investigated wood and you brought wood back. And I can't wait to show our viewers the cache of wood that you have around here.
This is a cello pot that's kind of half turned, and there's a lot of mass to it. And I tap them all along the way, looking for clues about how they're going to sound. And this one,
oh my gosh,
it's going to be very responsive, and it's going to have this is going to have a really nice, warm, low-end sound to it. The thing that people notice first is usually the frailing platform. Mm-hmm. I always beat my thumb up on the side of the neck when I'm frailing up in this sweet zone. You got to have the scoop if you're going to play up here in the first place. And then I actually designed my first frailing platforms after my thumb. I have a big thumb with a little curve in it. I've now tempered it down so it's a little more stylish. No kidding, to date, every banjo I've made, I get this childish, this is the best one yet.